Have you ever been driving down the highway when suddenly your car starts billowing steam and the temperature gauge goes crazy? Engine overheating isn't just scary. It can cost you thousands in repairs if you don't know exactly what to do. Today, I'm going to give you the ultimate survival guide that could save your engine and potentially save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Understanding the cooling system. Before we dive into the problems, let's understand how your car's cooling system actually works. Your engine is basically a massive heat generator, running at temperatures between 195 and 220 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to cook a steak. Your cooling system is like the car's personal air conditioning, with several key players. The radiator, which is basically a heat exchanger. The water pump, circulating coolant like blood through veins. The thermostat, controlling coolant flow like a traffic cop. Hoses transporting coolant everywhere. The coolant itself, absorbing heat like a sponge, and the radiator fan, which kicks in when your car isn't moving enough to create natural airflow. Top 6 reasons your car is overheating. Now, let's break down the 6 most common reasons your car might turn into a mobile sauna. 1. Low or contaminated coolant. Think of coolant like your engine's hydration system. When it's low, your engine gets stressed. Causes include hidden system leaks, natural evaporation, poor maintenance, potential internal engine problems. 2. Failing water pump. Your water pump is essentially the heart of your cooling system. When it fails, it's like your engine loses its circulation. Warning signs include weird whining noises, coolant leaks, steam from the radiator, crazy temperature gauge readings. 3. Thermostat malfunction. Imagine a broken thermostat in your house. Chaotic, right? In your car, a bad thermostat means coolant can't flow properly, causing sudden overheating. Temperature gauge going wild. Inconsistent heating performance. For radiator problems, your radiator can fail in multiple ways. Blocked cores, damaged fins, internal corrosion, leaking caps, clogged passages. 5. Cooling fan failure. Modern cars rely on electric fans to keep things cool. When they fail, you'll notice overheating while stationary, temperature rising in stop-and-go traffic, absence of fan noise when hot. 6. Head gasket issues. This is the nuclear option of engine problems. A blown head gasket means coolant mixing with engine oil, white exhaust smoke, overheating even with full coolant. Emergency survival steps. If you're driving and your car starts overheating, here's exactly what to do. Immediately, kill the AC, turn heater to full blast, open windows, find a safe place to pull over, turn off the engine. After 30 minutes, check coolant levels. Look for visible leaks. Inspect hoses. Prevention is key. Prevent overheating with these maintenance tips. Regular coolant service. System inspections. Check hoses and belts. Follow manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Address small issues before they become big problems. Bonus. Quick answers to your burning questions. Most common cause. Low coolant. Can't fix it yourself? Always consult a professional. Want to prevent issues? Regular maintenance is your best friend. If this video saved you from potential engine disaster, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Subscribe to never miss crucial car maintenance tips. Comment below with your worst car overheating story. Want to learn more about car maintenance? Check out our related videos on engine care, car diagnostics, and emergency roadside tips. Stay safe, drive smart, and keep that engine cool.